In this video, I'll guide you through how to attach receipts in Xero. Keeping your receipts organized in Xero is a great way to tidy up your bookkeeping, make tax time easier, and ensure you always have backup for your transactions. We'll walk through the process from logging in to finding the right area in Xero to uploading your receipt file so it's stored safely in your account. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Type the address into the browser bar and log in to your Xero account if you're not already signed in. Make sure you're using the correct login details for the organization you want to work with. Once you're in, you should land on the main dashboard for your organization. At the top of the screen, you'll see the organization's name. This is usually in the upper left corner, and it has a small drop-down arrow next to it. This drop-down is where you can access various organization level settings and features. Click on your organization's drop-down. When you do that, a menu will appear with a few different options related to your organization. From that drop-down menu, look for the option called Files. This is the central place in Xero where you can store and manage documents, including receipts, invoices, and any other supporting files. Go ahead and click on Files. This will take you to the Files area for your organization. On the Files page, you'll see different sections, but the main one we're interested in right now is the Files inbox. This is basically a holding area where you can upload documents before attaching them to specific transactions, bills, or expense claims. To add a new receipt, look for the button that says Upload to Files Inbox. It's usually near the top of the page or clearly visible as an upload option. Click Upload to Files Inbox. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to choose the receipt you want to upload. This could be a PDF, an image file like a JPG or PNG, or another common document format. It's a good idea to keep your receipt files named clearly, for example, with the supplier name and date, so they're easier to find later. In the file browser, navigate to the folder where your receipt is saved. This might be your downloads folder, a desktop folder, or a folder where you store your scanned receipts. Click once on the receipt file you want to attach. Once it's highlighted, click the Open button. After you click Open, Xero will start uploading that file into your files inbox. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the file, this might take a few seconds. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your receipt listed in the files inbox area. From here, you can later attach it to a bill, a spend money transaction, or an expense claim as needed. And that's all you need to do. You've gone to the Xero website, opened your organization menu, navigated to files, uploaded to the files inbox, and selected your receipt file. With these steps, your receipts will be safely stored in Xero, ready to be matched to your accounting records whenever you need them.